Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video from March 28, 2017. Decided to get this out early. I'm probably going to jump on the gold side, just help them with trading the close in here. So to let you know right now, after a sharp sell-off this morning where the ESs were down over 20 points, strength in the Russell pulled up the NASDAQ, which pulled up the ESs. So by right now, with 22 minutes left, ES is down 475. NASDAQ up 350 and the Russell up 180. Right now, the industrials down 36. Yeah, bonds up all of 10 in here. The advanced decline, that was a big old tip-off today. Advanced decline unchanged. Even when the market was getting trashed, the advanced decline just didn't look that bad. Yeah, the transport's up 19, at least for now. And you have the gold up $6, was up a lot more than that. Silver up 37, and you have some of the gold stocks up just a bit. You have crude oil down fractionally and the high yield bonds down fractionally. Dollar down 43, was down much more than that. UVXY down 90, worst product ever made in the world. And you know what? The VIX getting to the top of the Bollinger Band had a lot to do with why I thought the market might turn around. So to let you know what I'm looking at in the market in here. Number one, it's all about the Russell. The Russell has been leading everything else. The idea is look at the Russell on a 15-minute chart. Come back like a champ. Why am I talking about the Russell? Because on a daily chart, the Russell is what led us up from the election. The Russell has been teetering at the edge right here, right at this important support. Today it held. And when that held, as you can see it on the right, and you can see this a mile away of how it held, go and look at it on an hourly chart, and obviously you see this held here. The other thing I want you to see, and we talk about this all the time on Simpler Stocks, go to a 15-minute chart. Many bottoms end like this, or temporary bottoms. You have a little twerk to the downside. New low on positive RSI. I called that out the second it happened, and that was it. So right now you have the Russell pulling us out of our doldrums. So where do we go from here? The ESs are doing what I thought they'd do. Go and put Google on the right on an hourly chart, and you'll see what I mean. After a protracted up move up, the first break of an ATR trailing stop right here usually creates an oversold condition. It's how it works off the oversold that's important. As you can see, Google worked it off pretty poorly. Now on the left over here, you have the ES's protracted up move up. The first break created, yes, an oversold condition. Let's see how it works off the oversold condition the next couple of days. If it just gets in this little area, then the ticket is going to be to short that right there. Short that level. Just like a Google on the right, when it broke that level, that was the ticket. You didn't have to be a hero up here. Fine, you didn't short the very top, but that was good for 40 points. So that's what I'm going to be watching in here. So to let you know, we still have the 7-day, 30-day trial. $7 30-day trial, sorry. That includes the chat room, whether you like it or not, when I'm on from 9 to 10 in the morning. Premium videos, a lot more in depth than what you're hearing now. The email alerts. I put out at least 6 stock ideas and 6 charts, index charts every morning. The idea in that is the indexes are the tail that wags the dog or the dog that wags the tail. Always have to know the overall market perspective. We also have a meetup where every other week I do a free video anywhere from 15 minutes to an hour that is free to members. They then go into here in the meetup. I've had anything from intraday relative strength, power pre-market activity, and so on. So I hope everybody's enjoyed these videos. Have a great night, and I will talk to you tomorrow.